How to send location on WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to send your location to other people on WhatsApp, what you're simply gonna do is first of all, launch the application on your device. After you have done that, go to the person whom you want to send your location to. Now, in the bottom, you can see this icon right over here. Click on it. Then you'll be presented with various options over here. Among them, one of the option is location, which is over here. Click on it. Then you'll see your live location over here. Now click on share live location, and over here you can see the send button. Click on the send button, and then your live location will be saved to that person. And if it is done already, then you can also click on stop sharing and then click on stop. Then your live location will be stopped. So this is how you can share your live location to other people on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching till the end of the video, and I hope this video was helpful to you, and see you in the next video.